वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल दोस्तों, स्वागत आप सभी का यहाँ पे। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेरी गुड। आप स्वस्थ होंगे, फिट होंगे। सो यहाँ पे एक ऑफिशियल अपडेट है। आई थिंक दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस रिलेटेड टू द बैंकर्स पेंशनर्स। सो अपडेट इज़ फ्रॉम द बी बैंकर्स। सो बी बैंकर्स की टीम आई थिंक ज़्यादा अच्छा काम कर रही है राइट नाउ देन अदर यूनियन। सो दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल व्यूज़। अदर यूनियंस भी काफ़ी अच्छा काम कर रही हैं, बट बी बैंकर्स जहाँ तक मैंने देखा है, यंग जो बैंकर्स हैं उनकी एंड अदर इश्यूज़ को बड़ा अच्छे से हैंडल कर रहे हैं। सो प्रोसीडिंग विद रिगार्ड्स टू इंडस्ट्रियल डिस्प्यूट raised by B bankers challenging the jurisdiction, right, power, authority and competence were held today at the office of Deputy CLC, New Delhi. So representatives of BOI, CBI, PNB, Punjab Sindh, Union Bank, UCO submitted their written reply on demands put forth by the B bankers. So in today's proceedings, S. Shri Rahul Mishra ji, General Secretary All India B Bankers, Officer Association BB Khanna ji, ex GM PNB, Shri Akshay Mishra ji, Shri Manish Kumar, President and Treasurer of our Rajasthan unit, and Kamlesh Chaturvedi ji from side of B bankers participated. So a suggestion was put forth by the Honorable Deputy CLC that B bankers should also participate in negotiations at the industry level in the same manner other unions are participating, and in case B bankers agrees to this his suggestion, he may take up the matter with higher authorities. So we politely and humbly made position of B bankers clear, stating that B banker is striving and struggling to bring change in present system wherein there is no democracy, transparency, accountability, and negotiations for the basic reasons are undertaken on the basis of paying capacity probability rather than estimating the minimum need on scientific principles decided by Indian Labour Conference. So as a result of present system, productivity per employee is alarmingly high. There is no work-life balance, and economically bank employees are far behind LIC and Reserve Bank of India employees. What to talk about the government employees? We insisted that pension regulations must be amended in line with the Gratuity Act. Identical pension must be paid uniformly to all the employees irrespective of the date of joining. Pension must be updated and revised at least in line with Reserve Bank of India, if not in line with the government employees. So we raised the issue of conversion of part-time sweepers of PNB who has been discriminated and denied the status of full-time sub-staff in line with PTS of other banks and even those banks who got merged with PNB. So we strongly protest over the way resignees have been deprived of fundamental rights granted under Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. Under Article 14 and 16. So by differentiating them with those who were compulsory retired, so we reiterated our old demand relating to amendment in Regulation 22 of Pension Regulations. So representations of management said that they have implemented the provision of 12th BPS only when government approved and have given its NOC. So they assured to pursue government NOC on the next date. So on this we submitted that as per legislation provision, government is required to submit its prior permission through notification in official gazette. As such NOC is nothing but violation of law enacted by parliament. So next date है यहाँ पे 8th of August 24 at 11:30 AM. So this is the Deputy CLC के जो orders हैं friends, वो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. So with this, that's all for this session. So kindly share the update, subscribe to the channel friends.